When did your body stop craving the wild? When did your pulse, meant to surge with thrill, get trapped in the grind of stress? Science tells us cortisol builds in your system, locking muscles, clouding thoughts. But what if one move could set you free? Close your eyes. Feel the barefoot sprint of a child's chasing freedom across open fields. That's your biology singing. Evolutionary science shows our ancestors moved to survive. Their sprints boosting VO2 max by 15%. Oxygen fueling every cells. Your body still hungers for that spark. Welcome to Freestyle Fitness, a multiverse where movement rewrites who you are. 3 days you are unbound. Sprinting ignites mitochondrial function by 20%. Boxing and kicking sharpens neural pathways for precision. Volleyball's explosive jumps and spikes fire fast twitch fibers, while its teamwork floods your brain with oxytocin, bonding you to others. Modified handball horns reflexes. Cricket and football blend strategy and chaos. Every leap, every strike unleashes dopamine, melting stress like dawn burns away fog. The other 3 days forge an unbreakable core. Special forces circuits push anaerobic limits, sculpting resilience. Muscle training thickens fiber, boosting bone density by 7%. Rehab and prehab slash injury risk by 30%. Science confirms. While recovery weaves cellular repair, fueling longevity like a fountain of youth. This isn't just fitness, it's a revolution coded in your DNA. Freestyle Fitness Sports unlocks what science proves: movement is liberation. For the child who ran untamed, the adult craving purpose, the elder chasing vitality. What if your next jump, your next swing, shattered every limit you have ever known?